Hey, what's up, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in to the video. If you've seen any of my past videos, you may know that I've got an at-home obstacle course that I have named Knox Rock, and I've got several obstacles on the course that also have nicknames, such as Odie's Ridge and Devil's Crack and Little Camel, The Bridge, and Rocket Rock. Well, in this video, I've got 4 of my RCs that I'm attempting to drive over the steep section of Devil's Crack. I've got a previous video where they actually straddle the crack, and I've got 1 or 2 of them that attempt to go over the steep part, but they don't quite make it. So with the modifications that I've made to my RCs, I thought I would give it another go, see if I can have any luck with it. So folks, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Yeah, not only is this rock steep, but it's also slanted downward driver side. It's off cambered to the left, and so while you're trying to climb it, your RC is kind of angled downward on the driver's side, and it kind of wants to pull you to the left as you're trying to climb it. But yeah, it's definitely a fun obstacle for sure. Yeah, the wall kind of saved him right here from a rollover. So considering it took me so long to get him over it, I kind of took that as a success. Out of the 4 RCs in this video, I've done the least amount of modifications to the Gladiator. I have modified it pretty heavily, but I've done a few extra things to the other RCs as far as the stretching and making them longer and things like that. But yeah, the Gladiator, the least amount of mods out of all 4. The bumper saves the day. Rollovers don't count, so he's got to do it again. Bumper to the rescue yet again. This thing is an absolute beast. Yeah, I just wanted to put in a couple clips of this green Deadbolt driving around some on the course. That flex right there is just insane. I'm going to back it up. I want to see that one more time. Go, wow. Yeah, it flexes like crazy. It's got tremendous wheelbase, plenty of ground clearance, the brushless motor, the strong servo. Definitely going to probably have to make my course more challenging, and I'm definitely going to have to start traveling out to RC parks in the area and try to find something that's pretty challenging for this thing. Folks, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.